Welcome to this video on preventing child labor under the ASC standards. In this video, we'll explore what child labor is and the ASC requirements to prevent and address it. So, what exactly is child labor? Child labor refers to any work that is unacceptable for children, either because of their age or the nature of the work itself. According to the ASC standards, this includes any economic activity carried out by children under the age of 13. Work that is not classified as light work under local regulations, performed by children aged 13 to 14, or below the age of completion of mandatory schooling. This light work must be non-hazardous, limited in hours, must not interfere with schooling, and should be supervised by adults with parental or guardian permission. Additionally, children engaged in such light work must receive appropriate training. And finally, child labor also refers to any work by children under 18 that is mentally, physically, socially, or morally harmful, or which interferes with their education. There are conditions under which young employees aged 15 to 17, who are above the legal age for schooling, may be employed. The work must not be hazardous, they must be properly supervised, and all employment must comply with national laws. For example, if schooling is mandatory until age 16, then a 15-year-old may only engage in light work for limited hours. Certain factors can increase the risk of child labor. Regions with low income, limited access to education, and weak legal protections for children are more vulnerable. Migrants and minorities are especially at risk of child labor. The ASC standards require that the unit of certification protects children and young employees. Child labor must never occur, and the best way to ensure this is by putting strong preventive measures in place. Preventing child labor starts with taking proactive steps. A strong age verification process must be in place to ensure compliance with regulations. Access to education should be facilitated, and employees should be trained on children's rights to create a more informed workforce. Ensuring fair wages for workers helps to reduce poverty, a major factor contributing to child labor. Additionally, raising awareness within local communities about the risks and long-term consequences of child labor is crucial. By implementing these measures, child labor can be prevented before it occurs. However, in cases where child labor is found, immediate remediation is necessary. The first step in addressing child labor is to remove the child from work and ensure their safety and well-being. Medical or other necessary care should be provided if needed. Next, parents or guardians must be located, and relevant authorities, child protection organizations, or local NGOs specializing in child welfare, should be contacted. A long-term remediation plan should then be developed in collaboration with experts and NGOs. This may include facilitating the child's education, providing financial support to the family, or engaging with local authorities to improve education infrastructure. Finally, an analysis should be conducted to understand why the situation occurred. Corrective measures must be implemented to prevent recurrence, working closely with local experts to monitor progress. In conclusion, child labor is a serious issue, but by adhering to the ASC farm and feed standards, and understanding the risks, taking proactive steps, and acting swiftly when violations occur, you and your unit of certification play a crucial role in preventing and eradicating child labor and protecting young employees in aquaculture.